Guys, what is up? Welcome back to this brand new video. In this video, basically, we're gonna learn how to swap values from one container to another container. Before moving into that, let me just present you a more well-written form of this. For example, we have a variable called a, which is 3, and b is 8. So you just have to use variables to switch it, and we basically need to switch it. So basically, you might be seeing this. Okay, you might have seen the solution for this, like a is set to a plus b. It makes sense that the container variable a will contain the value itself as well as the value of the other container, so that maybe the next container, even if it gets 0, maybe we'll turn it to 0. Maybe we'll empty the next the container b. When what the fuck is this? A minus b. Now my logic starts to break. Now my visualization isn't working. Okay, we have a solution for that. I drew this. I don't know I could draw this so good. Anyway, it looks good, right? Anyway, so this is in like these many steps. I'll make you understand all of this. First step is you should know both of these containers. Let me just have I don't have any um both of these containers. This container and this container, both of them have same ability to store as much water as they can, or as much different kind of juices as they can. So A contains the red juice and B contains the blue juice. And blue juice, as you can see, for understanding reasons, considerably it is less. Okay, small slice. So the next step, what we do in order to swap this without while maintaining our sanity, is what I did. I copied exact, whatever was in B, how much amount of liquid was in B. I just poured it back in, but did not empty B. Just keep in mind, I have not emptied it. Like, okay, whatever you have it. I just wanted to copy you, kind of like that, like kind of like gay kind of shit. Game is happiness in that sense. I'm saying I don't want to get demonetized, banned. Anyway, so the next step will be we'll convert it into red. So down one is red and upper one is blue, and we have left blue as blue. We didn't touch it. Same quantity. Both of them are same. So we have added B from B container to A container, the same amount. Next step, what I did, we have left A as sorry A as what it is, as you can see. I have left A as what it is, but B, I have done something, and because of that it has started to look like red. Matlab, like it is looking like A container, like previously the A container, right? Yeah, how? What I basically did, I subtracted whatever was in A from B. So you are saying whatever was in A, that means in this case, you subtracted it from whatever was in B. So you are saying basically that you subtracted this part. Let me just got a hold of this. You basically subtracted this part, like there's a same part, right? So you basically removed both of them, and you got this. For sure you can get it right after this situation has happened. Yeah, it makes sense. If I remove whatever is the content of A from whatever is the content in B currently, right now in this situation, we will end up a container which will just contain red, right? Yeah, makes sense, right? At least this much is making sense, right? Then you would be like, why then A is still full? You said you're subtracting something, some bullshit you're saying. As I told you before, also, we did not touch what was inside B. We kept it the way it was. We just copied it. We copied whatever was the content inside it. Oh, okay. Yeah, makes sense, right? It makes sense. Like we have reduced it, and yeah, we can get B. We can get B with this red inside it. So now, okay, it makes sense. I can clearly see that basically switching of B has happened. B has occurred. B is no more previously, which was blue small water. It has become the the it has become the contents of A. You can see it is just similar to it. It is exactly whatever was containing in A previously. Now we are having that in B with just this weird line of code. Okay, what about A? A is still the same. Maybe you need to apply this similar kind of logic, but this time you need to do B minus A something. Okay, let's do b minus a. So you are saying if we do b minus a in this situation, so whatever is the content of b, if we subtract it from whatever is the content of b, if we subtract this from this, if you're saying like that, you're saying, I mean, like you're subtracting it, subtraction sign is there. So basically you're saying if we subtract whatever is in a, whatever is in whatever, what am I saying, whatever is in b, or subtracting it from a, because you're saying b minus a, not a minus b. You're understanding, right? So what we would be left with, okay, this will get deleted, and all the red parts will get deleted. So let me just remove the red parts quick, very quick. I have a solution in my head. How can we do that? So let's set red, and ah, anyway, so we will be left with blue. Oh, wait a second. It's just not blue. It's negative blue. No, 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 no. We gotta be back. We gotta be back. We gotta be back. Oh God, I can't bring it back. Okay, I can bring it back. No, no, no. We can't do B minus A. No, 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 no. We can't do B minus A. We have to do something else. What can we do? Can we do A minus B? Let me just check. A minus B. For this container, for this very container. But we have done it already like that. Okay, let's just see what we can do. Oh, we have actually done A minus B only for this container as well. Let's see what happens. Let me just quickly color this. This is an extra step written here, which is unnecessary. Okay. Oh, no, no, it's not. As you know, it's red now. Oh, you're saying A minus B. Whatever is in A, you subtract it with B. Okay, what would happen? As you can clearly see now, key, that if we subtract this from this, and whatever we'll be left with will be something crazy. What do I mean by that? Is this, that tada, will be just left with blue. This blue water will fall down and it will switch the values, bro. Yeah, like that. So in both the situation, we do A minus B. First of all, we have the containers filled with data. Second step is we add whatever was in B to the A, as well as whatever was in A, we have just kept that intact, and whatever was in B, we have kept it intact in its container. Next step is basically we're going to subtract whatever is in A from whatever is in B and saved it to B. I know it's sounding very complicated and like very abstract, but you have seen through how have we done it. Next step, we'll repeat the same thing now with A. We subtract whatever is in A with whatever is in B, and we will be left with blue water, and values have been switched. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Hopefully this video makes sense, or if it is confusing, I'll try to come up with a simpler solution, but I thought it was good to make a video on this, so I made it. All the best, keep learning. Bye bye.